Okay, so I'm in my builds folder and I'm going to run it locally. So it's really very simple. You just go to your command prompt and type this code. I actually have showed you the full method in my previous video, so you can check that out. And now once it is running on my server, it's local server. I need to go to my web browser and show it to you. So I'm on my local host, and you can check it out that this project is running here. And now what we want is we want to test it on our MetaQuest 3. So the next step is that we open the MetaQuest Developer Hub. So let's do that. Yeah, this one. And here we need to do a few things. So let's get to the device manager. Let me connect my device, by the way. Here we go. Using the link cable, the charger cable which comes with the device, you connect your headset with that. And you can go to this commands, custom commands thing, and you can create a command. So I've already created this reverse port for WebXR command here. So similarly, you can create your own command, and I would put that whatever command you have to create. So basically, you can name it. So test command creation. And the command would be ADB reverse TCP 8000. TCP 8000. This is basically the port where you want it to run. So you just paste this command here. I would share this as well in the description, and then you hit save. Okay, now your headset is connected. Things are working now. One other thing is in this browser tab, you just paste your local host URL and you can click on open. But you only do this once you have run this command. So just let me run it, and you can see this is working. And then you hit this open. So let me go to my headset and I will show you the recording from there.
Okay, so right now I am in my virtual environment, my virtual home in the MetaQuest device, and I'm going to press open in the MetaQuest Developer Hub. And as soon as I press that, you see a browser window comes up, and it's going to open that same local host URL which we provided in the software here. And if I press VR here, see our VR environment has opened up. And see, because there is some kind of origin issue, this might be because of the headset's positions in the project which I from where I took this build. But anyways, I'm able to move around in the scene. I can grab stuff like this. I'm feeling haptics as well. Then I can turn around. Then let's try standing over here. So see, my ground is set up to this position. That's why we are facing this offset. But never mind, our things are working. And check this out, we are able to teleport to places. So yeah, our VR project is running in the MetaQuest device, and we saw how to do it. And simply now, like this, you can just press quit and come out. Otherwise, it's going to keep running in the background. And just close your browser.